My video guide will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called Lavasky. Lavasky is a special ransomware which is designed specifically to attack many Windows computers right now. Before the ransomware attack, definitely you are able to open your files without any troubles at all. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Lavasky ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Very soon, especially after users restart their computers or sign out and sign in again, they notice that something bad has happened with their files and that the files got damaged and encrypted by this Lavasky ransomware. The good thing is that I'm using my test computer, but the bad thing is that this ransomware may also affect real computers. It is called Lavasky because it encrypts files and adds this special Lavasky additional extension to the files. So when people try to open this specific file, they get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Lavasky extension. Removing the extension manually does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted by this Lavasky ransomware. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored if you pay the ransom. So you may simply waste your money without getting your data restored. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware software. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be damaged by this ransomware. Therefore, go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and then begin researching your system. Click on Start Scan button and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system. You can also see that this Lavasky ransomware changes the desktop wallpaper of the affected computer. The scanning by Combo Cleaner will take some time. It may depend on various factors, of course. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks, but that feature is the part of the premium license only. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may also depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. But at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the infections which were revealed. You will be able to know their locations. Certain threats can be removed manually, but I recommend upgrading to Premium as the best solution to remove this ransomware and to keep your data always protected from further ransomware attacks.